In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Black Desert on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game, download and install it without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, open your Google browser, and now we need to locate this game at Steam first before we can proceed to another website to download it. So go to Steam and search for the game Black Desert. Once you have done that, you found the game, and scroll a little bit down and there we will see the game. It is available from €9.99 on Steam, but we got a little workaround for that. So what you need to do is open the link in the description. After that you will be redirected to this website and we will search for the same game, Black Desert. Now select it. After that select games on the left side. And what you need to do then is sort by and then price lowest first. As you can see, the cheapest available game on this website is €2.79 compared to a price on Steam of €9.99. But this is through the official website of the game maker. So if you would like to activate the game through the website of the game maker, then use this one. But if you like to use the Steam option, then you need to use this one because this is activatable on Steam. So let's say we would like to activate it on Steam, then select this one. What you need to do next is basically purchase this game for just €3.66 compared to the €9.99. And after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key to activate and download this game on Steam. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games on Steam. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!